Hi again, welcome back to the studio. Today's video is going to be a little bit different for what I usually do because I have received a bunch of art supplies. I put an order for them. Usually at this time of the year, I try to go and do inventory of the things that I'm going to need because it's going to be the busy season of the year and for my classes. And also because a lot of people put orders for supplies because of Christmas and all that stuff. And sometimes they come a little bit later than usual, so I like to be prepared. Also, I was running low on a couple of things. To be honest with you, I've been waiting for all the supplies to come so that I could open them at the same time. I had to order from 3 different places, and I forgot a couple of things that I put. Usually the way it goes is that they give you free shipping if you reach an amount, and I usually get it, but there is a couple times where this short, and then I start looking for, well, what else can I get so that I can get the free shipping. I'm talking about if I'm within a couple of dollars. I'm not talking about major things. And then it's like, well, maybe I should try something new that I can show my students and learn for myself, trying new things. What I know for sure is that about brushes, because my brushes are getting the brushes that I use all the time, my Scotta Perla brushes, my tips have been used. So what does that mean? It means that they have lost the point. The bristles are getting like more open, so that it makes it more difficult to get the thin lines or the more precise traces. Why did that happen? Well, because nothing lasts forever. And then when we dip in the color and then we wrap them against the paper, well, that happens. Does it happen often? No. Do they take a long time for that to happen? Yes. Also, depending on how much you use them. Now, I paint a lot. I paint every day. I paint several times a day. Some days when I teach classes in person or when I record videos for you. I also paint for myself so that I can get them in my website. And sometimes I put them in shows, etc. So I paint a lot, and still some of these brushes have been here lasting me for quite over a year and a half, some of them, depending on the size and depending on the one that I use the most. But in any case, I ordered my brushes from Jackson. I took advantage of they were having a sale, and also because now they're going to get the tariffs and all that is driving all of our artists crazy and small on a spur. I got them for them right in time. And then I also got my supplies from Dick Blix, which is one of the places where I usually get the most. Sometimes I use from, well, I'm here in the United States, so sometimes I also get them from Jerry's Artarama or a couple other ones, but Dick Blix is one that I usually get. So let me open this box, and then I'm going to start showing you the things that I got. This is the place where I was telling you that I don't know all the supplies that I got for, but we're going to find out now. It's going to be a surprise. Let me put the camera more onto the box so that we can see it better. And oh my goodness, they always put a bunch of this stuff. Let's take it all out. And there it is. So I got Frisket. This is by Chandelier. I'm planning on doing a video about it, and I will tell you more about it. But I like this because of the applicator. There's many other brands, but that's one of the reasons why I get that one. This is a block of not good watercolor paper, but I can use it for scratches or for like a scrap paper to see my colors. And also because sometimes my students are telling me like, well, is there really that much of a difference? Sometimes you have to see it to believe it. So I like to put it side by side, and then they can see the difference. And I will make some videos for you guys to see it as well. I've got good paper, good cotton paper. Saunders Waterford was in a sale, and I have used it before for sheets of paper, but I have never tried it in pads. So I figured I'll give it a try instead of my regular arches, but I know that it's going to be just as good. And this one, that says that it's 100% cotton. Where is it? Right here, 100% cotton. All right. Then I got paint that I will show you in a minute as soon as I empty these bags and get out of the way. And then I got these panels. I love these panels, although you can paint on it. It's for oils and acrylics. But the reason why I use them is because they are light and they're very, very steady. And I use these panels to tape my paper and use them as watercolor boards. So they are not pricey, and it depends on the size. Obviously, they get cheaper or not. So I got 2 of them because a lot of times I guess this is just nothing. A lot of times I get more than 1 painting, especially if it's a detailed painting that it takes me longer to finish. So I need to have more than 1 panel. And then for the paints, I got, let's see what they got me, what I ordered. So, okay, one more here. I got Burnt Umber by Winsor Newton, Winsor Violet, Diacenon, let's see if you can see it. Burnt Umber, Winsor Violet, and Burnt Sienna. I use a lot of Burnt Sienna. All of them by Winsor Newton. And I got something else here. And then I got Antwerp Blue. This is a beautiful, beautiful blue. We're going to do especially for flowers and things like that. And then for the same reason as I got this paper, I decided to get a tube of student grade paint, also of Burnt Sienna. And we will make some videos where we will put the artists. I mean, both of them are made by Winsor Newton, but this one is the student series. This is the artist series. Both of them are Burnt Sienna. We will have some fun putting it side by side so you guys can tell the difference. And this is my order from Dickblix. Now, I order brushes from Jackson's. So this was the place where I spent the most, but it's like I said, it's a good thing. Oh my goodness. Let's just get this cut it with this. I needed to replace them, and since they were a good price, I piled up in a couple, but I mainly got the ones that I need to replace. So all my Scotta Perla from the Scotta Perla series. Let's see if we can get this a little bit closer. Okay. And I got number this one lost the cup. I got the 14, I got a 10, number 12, so I got 14, 12, 10. They come protected. Usually the bristles come protected. This one must have lost it. But they are also kind of glued. So you just have to go with your fingers and loose it up. And I guess they put a 6 here. And I guess they separate the small sizes into this other package. Okay. And this one are my 4. I use a lot of these little ones, so I got 2 6s. Let's see, I got 2 6s. I got a 4. I got 2 2s. So 6 6 4 4 4 2 2, and I got a 1 for the very, very small details. So this should keep me going for quite a bit of time. And oh, I got one more. This is from a different company. This actually took me a while to find. Let's put my brushes here with the rest of my stuff. All right, let me see my face. But another product that I bought, this one actually is because I saw it in a YouTube video. I think it was by an artist named Shelley Pryor. I will write it down. And she was showing how she found out about this product, where sometimes if you paint one color and then you try to put another one and you try to go in a straight line, because paper has sizing, and once you put one color, you can lose a little bit of the sizing. So then the next color that you put on it, you get sometimes not a straight line, but just a little bit of going over it. And that is important for me, especially when I'm working on my architectural things and I put one color here and then I put one color ahead and then I try to go with the other one. I don't want it to have those little bleeds. So with this product, which took a little bit to get it, but I got it from here, from, you can read it, for everything mixed media.com. That's where I found it. You apply this, it's transparent, it doesn't alter your colors at all, and you put it, you let it dry, and after it dries, you apply the next layer of color and you get a straight line, no bleeding whatsoever. According to that, it's by Holbein. Well, Holbein is a good brand, and it's called multi-sizing medium. It was a little bit pricey. It was $17, but this thing is gonna last me years. So I'm very excited to use it. I will do a video for you guys to see it, and I'm gonna use it in my classrooms for my students too, and it's gonna save me a lot of time when I do my paintings. And that's it. This is my big haul. Not so big, but this is my art supplies that are gonna carry me through the end of the year. These are what I needed to replace. And let me know if you like videos like this. They are related to art, but they are not all painting. I'm gonna get busy. I'm gonna put all these things to work. I need to go through my brushes and see which ones I need to replace with the new ones. I know that this one is going. Look at all the brushes. I don't know if you can see it. All the bristles are sticking out. So this is number 6. Let's get a new number 6. So I'm gonna get going with that, replacing the old ones, put in the new ones, and put them to use. So I'll see you next time.